Hello students, today we are going to study about fun with magnets. So the first question arises that what is magnet? Magnet is basically a substance having the property of attracting iron is known as magnet. कोई भी चीज जो ये प्रॉपर्टी रखती है कि वो आयरन को अपनी तरफ खींचे, अपनी तरफ अट्रैक्ट करे, उसे हम मैग्नेट कहते हैं. ठीक है. It can be iron, cobalt or nickel. These three can be there: iron, cobalt and nickel. These three gets attracted towards something, then that something is known as magnet. ठीक है. Please make sure the definitions are clear in your mind. That what is magnet? Magnet is basically a substance which is having a property of attracting the iron, nickel and cobalt towards itself, like towards itself. वो अपनी तरफ वो खींचता है. That is known as magnet. Now there is always a history for everything. Everything is being discovered. So magnet was also discovered, and there is lot of legends, lot of stories about the discovery of magnet, right? But there is only one common story which says that there was a shepherd named Manganese. Shepherd named Manganese. Shepherd का मतलब होता है any person, a person who rear sheep. ठीक है, जहां से wool आता है. So the person who rears sheep are known as shepherd. So the shepherd, his name is Manganese, right? So he was a shepherd. He used to rear the sheep in an area. He used to live in the northern Greece area, and that area is known as Magnesia. About 4000 years ago, 4000 साल पहले मैग्नीशिया एक जगह थी नॉर्दर्न ग्रीस में, जहां पे there was a shepherd named Manganese, right? So one day he was rearing the sheep and he was having a stick. बेटा आप लोगों ने नोटिस किया होगा, whenever there is someone who is rearing sheep, buffaloes, goats, so they are having a stick which help them to make them gather, right? वो एक साथ रखते हैं, उस स्टिक की हेल्प से वो उसे बार बार ऐसे दिखाते हैं, तो उनको पता चलता है शीप्स को कि एक साथ रहना है. So he was also having a stick which was having a metal tip, right? And he was having shoes which are having nails at the bottom, right? So he was one day rearing the sheep. अचानक से his stick get जो उसका ये मेटल टिप वाला स्टिक था वो जाके स्टक हुआ एक लार्जर और बहुत ही बड़े रॉक पे. ठीक है. A large black rock was there, and this large black rock which was there, the stick got stuck over there. उसकी जो स्टिक थी वो जाके उस पे चिपक गई. जब वो उस पे चिपकी तो there was a confusion that why does it happen. किसी और स्टिक का तो कभी भी किसी रॉक पे नहीं हुआ, लेकिन इस रॉक पे क्यों हुआ, right? So this confusion was discovering of magnets. Fine. Yes. So there was a magnet. Okay. So that natural magnet is known as magnetite. तो जिस पत्थर पे जाके उसकी स्टिक चिपकी थी, that is known as magnetite. What is it known as? Magnetite. Okay. Right. Then we have types of magnets. There are two types of magnets. First type of magnets are natural magnet, and another type of magnet is artificial magnet. Okay. So the first type of magnet is natural magnet. As the name says, that natural magnets are those magnets which we got from the rocks. That means which we got from the nature. ठीक है. हमें कहाँ से मिलता है? हमें nature से मिलता है. What? Magnet. Okay. So that magnet which we get from the nature, that is known as natural magnet, and there is only one example of it, that is magnetite. तो हमने अभी पढ़ा था. Then we have artificial magnet. So this artificial magnet is made up from iron, cobalt and nickel. What is it made from? Iron, cobalt and nickel, right? So this magnet is made from iron, cobalt and nickel. So iron, cobalt and nickel is we are getting from nature only. लेकिन उससे जो मैग्नेट बनाना होता है उसे हम क्या कहते हैं, उसे हम आर्टिफिशियली करते हैं, राइट? सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज नोन एज आर्टिफिशियल मैग्नेट. So this magnet is made from iron, cobalt and nickel. Okay, so we have also studied this कि कोई भी चीज जब artificially बनती है बेटा, so it is having the raw materials from nature only. तो आयरन, कोबाल्ट एंड निकल तो हमें नेचर से ही मिलेगा, लेकिन इसको हम मैग्नेट में कन्वर्ट करेंगे and that process is actually making artificial magnet. So I think it is clear that what is natural magnet and what is artificial magnet. So natural magnet are those magnet which we get from the nature, and artificial magnet are those magnet which is made by humans. So it is a man-made magnet. Okay. Then let us discuss about the shapes of these magnets. Basically, these are artificial magnets, right? So these artificial magnets are having different shapes. So there are only 3 shapes here, but basically there are 4 shapes. So the first shape is bar magnet. You can see it in a rectangular shape. And why it is bar? Because आपने chocolate तो खाई होगी, chocolate की जो bar आती है आपकी 5-star or those, that also looks like this. So that's why the name is bar magnet. And then we have horseshoe magnet. Horseshoe magnet is basically named this like because जो horse के पैरों पे लगाई जाती है, आपने देखा होगा, it is of this shape. Right, so that's why it is horseshoe magnet. And there is a circular magnet. Circular magnet, why? Because it is circle shape, right? And there is another magnet which is like a dumbbell shape. ये डम्बल शेप के मैग्नेट है. आपने डम्बल्स तो देखे होंगे, बॉडी बिल्डर्स उठाते हैं, जो जिम में यूज होता है. दीज आर द डम्बल. So this is a dumbbell shaped magnet. What is it? Dumbbell shaped magnet. Okay, so this is 4th type of magnet, dumbbell shaped magnet. Okay, right, this is a 4th type of magnet which is of having a dumbbell shape. इस dumbbell shape के magnets भी available होते हैं. ठीक है, so this is about the different shapes of magnet. Now we are going to watch a small video so that you can understand little more about few things. Just a second. Yes, so this is a video which we are going to see related to the magnet. Okay,
I have a magnet and some coins here. Now if I take this magnet near this coin, it attracts it. But if I hold the magnet, say, at a distance, a bit further away, it does not attract the coin.
Yes, so he is saying right, अगर आप मैग्नेट को लेके कॉइन को कोशिश करेंगे, so you will see that it will get attracted. But if you are keeping that magnet a little far, so it will not get attracted. This is because of 2 things which we are going to learn here is magnetic field and magnetic force. ठीक है, so what is magnetic field? Magnetic field is basically a boundary in which the magnet will only work. जैसे कि ग्राउंड में आप लोग खेलते हैं पकड़म पकड़ाई या फिर कुछ भी, so what is that? अगर कोई बच्चा उस ग्राउंड से बाहर चला जाता है तो आप कहते हैं ना कि अगर आप ग्राउंड से बाहर चले गए तो there will be out, right? That person will be out. So same thing goes with magnetic field. Okay, so what is magnetic field? Magnetic field is basically a area or it is a field, it is a ground till where the magnet will work. मैग्नेट सिर्फ और सिर्फ उसी मैग्नेटिक फील्ड तक काम करेगा, अदरवाइज वो नहीं करेगा. दैट्स व्हाई दैट फील्ड इज नोन एज मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. ठीक है, उस ग्राउंड तक ही, उस एरिया तक ही वो काम करेगा, अदरवाइज वो नहीं कर सकता, वो अट्रैक्ट नहीं कर पाएगा इस फील्ड के बाहर. सो दैट इज नोन एज मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. एंड उस मैग्नेटिक फील्ड में वो किसी भी चीज को जो अट्रैक्ट करता है अपनी तरफ, that is a force, and that force is known as magnetic force, right? So magnetic field के अंदर जो magnetic force होती है, that says that the magnet will attract the things towards itself. But if it goes beyond that magnetic field, then that magnet will not be able to attract anything and there will be no magnetic force.
This is because the coin is not within the magnetic field of the magnet. Iron objects which lie within this field will be pulled towards the magnet by a magnetic force. What does a magnetic field look like? Let us do an activity to visualize this magnetic field.
See, this magnetic field is invisible. We cannot see this magnetic field, but with a small activity, we can see that how the magnetic field is made.
We need a bar magnet and iron filings.
But this is an iron fillings and it is made up of iron. Basically, the iron is here in the form of powder. That's why it is known as iron fillings.
Stick the magnet on top of the paper. Now, sprinkle some iron filings on the paper. Tap the paper slightly such that iron filings arrange themselves. Observe the pattern made by the iron filings. If you look at the pattern, you will see that the iron filings have arranged themselves in curved lines that originate from one end of the magnet.
Can you see the lines over here as a circular lines hai? ये देखो, this is a line, this is a line, right? You can see the circular lines here. This is a line here, this is a line here, this is a line here, here is also a line, here is also a line. See, you can see the lines over here. So this is basically the magnetic field looks like. Right, and you can see there are a lot of iron fillings which is here in abundance. यहाँ पे ऐसे मतलब झुंड करके हैं यहाँ पे. So the magnetic force is basically very good at the points. ठीक है, जो ends होते हैं यहाँ पे, जो poles होते हैं magnet के, यहाँ पे सबसे ज्यादा magnetic force होती है. ठीक है, सबसे ज्यादा खिंचाव होता है as comparative to the middle part. Right, so this is, you can see, that's why here the most of the iron fillings is gathering, right? So this is how the magnetic field looks like, and you can see here the iron fillings are here also. But ये इस फॉर्म में क्यों नहीं है? Because इसकी जो magnetic field है वो यहीं तक है. ठीक है ना, यहीं तक है इसकी magnetic field. इसके आगे इसकी magnetic field काम नहीं करेगी, right? So the magnet cannot attract these fillings in this pattern.
Magnet and terminate at the other. Also observe that the concentration of the lines is more at the poles of the magnet. Most of the lines run from one pole to the other. If we draw a diagram of this on a paper, it will look like this.
So if you make a diagram of that activity, so it will look like this. You can see that there are long lines, curved lines going. This is a magnetic lines of force. This is a magnetic field basically. And you can see that in current, जैसे हमने याद किया था, जैसे हमने समझा था, that in electricity, the current flows from positive to negative. In magnets, the magnetic field always runs from north to south. Okay. And they never intersect with each other. Can you see they never intersect? Intersect means कोई भी दो lines एक दूसरे को cross नहीं करेंगी. सब अलग अलग चलेंगे, right? So they never intersect.
Curved lines shown along a magnet are called the magnetic lines of force. They run from the north pole to the south pole. The space in which the lines of force are spread around a magnet is called the magnetic field. The characteristics of the lines of force are: they attempt to form closed loops from pole to pole. They never intersect. They all have the same strength. The number of lines of forces per unit area determines the strength of magnetic field at that point.
And जैसे जैसे magnetic field बड़ा होता जाएगा, means जैसे जैसे वो magnet से दूर चला जाएगा, वैसे वैसे उसकी magnetic field कम हो जाएगी. ठीक है, मैग्नेटिक फोर्स उसका कम हो जाएगा. जैसे जैसे सर्कल बढ़ेगा, the magnetic force will decrease. Okay, so this is what we have studied till now.